Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ikman Chaudhary and you're watching Everyday Health Asal. My today's topic is Dr. Ikman German Homeopathy Medicine R25. So in today's video, I'll be talking about R25 doses, indication or cost of the medicine and where you can buy the medicine. So as the name suggests, prostatitis drop, prostatitis. So this is used in prostatic troubles when you're having prostate enlargement, and this is given in acute prostatitis as well as in chronic prostatitis. Acute means you're having a certain kind of infection. Due to bacterial infection, your prostate gland is swollen up, enlargement, inflammation of prostatic gland. And chronic means you are having recurrent, you're having the infection again and again. So we use in chronic prostatitis. Other indications are, urinary weakness. So you have frequent urging of urine, urination at night, urgency, frequency, and weak flow in the urine. So all these will be the chief indication of R25. Now the combination part, there are best effective homeopathy medicine infused. Best effective homeopathy medicine. These are Chimaphila, Cornea mag, Pereira, Clematis, Pulsatilla, Sabal rudata. These are the medicine used in homeopathy treating prostatic trouble. Let's talk about the Chimaphila's benefit. Chimaphila is used in when you have to strain to pass the urine. You have to press. Apply the force to pass the urine. There is a lot of straining while urination, and there are bladder calculi in the urine. Bladder calculi, lot of straining in Chimaphila, and the other medicine, the other combinations are Cornea mag. So Cornea mag is infused. Cornea mag treats paralytic weakness of the urinary bladder. So you're having feeble urination, there are problem in urine, Cornea mag. Pulsatilla, again, Pulsatilla infused. Pulsatilla's actions are there are swelling. You are having orchitis, prostatitis, even gonorrhea. So these are the symptoms treated with Pulsatilla. Sabal sulurata is there. Sabal sulurata almost specific in prostatic troubles. We usually prescribe Sabal sulurata as a single remedy even in prostatic troubles. So this controls your prostatic swelling, or this reduces the enlargement of the prostatic gland. So these are the medicine that treats even Ferrum picricum is there once you have frequent urination at night. So Ferrum picricum treat that. Nocturia we say. So these are the combinations. How to use the medicine. The medicine comes in the liquid form. You can see the Dr. Ikman German homeopathy medicine in the liquid form. So just have 10 or 15 drops in some lukewarm water. Start with the lower doses. 10 or 15 drops in some lukewarm water, and just have one or two times in a day before having your meal, and just use it regularly. And once you see the improvement, you can even decrease the medicine doses. Never discontinue all of a sudden. First taper down, continue the medicine doses, and then discontinue once your symptoms are better improved. And where to buy? These are homeopathy medicine. You may not find these medicine on general pharmacy or general store. These are homeopathy medicines. Homeopathy medicines are only available in a homeopathic doc clinic or homeopathic pharmacy. If you're watching on YouTube, you may find medicines link below in description box, so you can buy medicine from there and you can start your treatment. And the cost of medicine may vary with time. And the place you buy, whether you buy it online or the physical store, the cost is 270 rupees, and that may obviously change. And just check expiry as well. So hopefully this video can give you some amount of help. If you find this video knowledgeable, informative, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for further notification. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you so much. Thank you.